Hey guys, it's me, Spirit. Boop, 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 boop. And I know I have not been recording, and that is because, girl, I am digging into my passions. Sir, I have been focused on my God-given gifts. I got a major laser announcement coming up in a couple of weeks. But for now, what we about to do is talk about 5 reasons why I love having locks, okay? So I was getting in the shower today, and I was just like, I am thankful as fuck to have these locks in my head. And I'm about to tell y'all why. But before we get started, I'm about to say hello. How you doing? I didn't even check on you. What's up? You looking good and shit. Good to see you. Feeling good and shit. I feel you already. What's up? How you doing? Thanks for watching. But in reality, before we talk about the 5 reasons why I love these locks in my hair, I want us to have a mantra of the day. And today's mantra is thank you. Let's take a deep breath. Thank you. Thank you for my life. Thank you for these opportunities, these experiences that I'm going through, whether I like them, whether they are good, whether they are bad. I want to say thank you because I know in the end, everything that happens to me happens for my greater good. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Reason number 1 why I love these lovely lady locks in my head. Right here. Y'all see them? Boop. Check the style. Keep it up. The first reason why I love my locks is that they are my real freaking hair. These ain't micros, baby. You can't pull this wig off. You cannot snatch it back. And if you try to, you gon' get back. But anyways, these are my real hair. And I remember when I was wearing braids, or when I was wearing twists, or when I was wearing weaves back in the day, I used to always try to figure out, like, yeah, but what about when I'm 47? What about when I'm 62? What's gonna be happening with my real hair? And I don't know if I'll have locks at that time, but what I do know is ain't gonna be no wigs on my head, and it's probably gonna be some locks, because locks are your real hair. This has been the best way for me to grow my hair long and to feel proud when I walk into a room, like, yeah, you see this big, wild, crazy thing on my head? It's all mine, coming straight from the scalp. So that is beautiful to me because I do not have to add any extra fake hair to my hair when I have locks. And I love that. Number 2, locks represent a commitment. They could represent a journey that may not always be beautiful. It's a journey that's real. It's a journey that's raw. It's a journey that takes development and time, and it teaches you love and self-acceptance. And that to me is very beautiful because no other hairstyle has helped me to learn to accept myself through the good days and the bad days as much as having locks have. And if you are not aware of the energy of your hair, I'm going to tell you, I always tell y'all to put love into your hair even if you don't really feel it. Tell yourself you look good. Tell yourself you feel good. Because locks don't come off your hair. You're not shedding hair all the time. Everything that you think about and that you do and that you feel is wrapped up in your locks. So always infuse love, because that's what's going to be attached to you for a long time. These have also been called the antennas, the ways that the gods can communicate with us. So locks give such a unique look, and they represent such a specific, unique journey for each one of us. I love that. The third thing, the reason why I love locks, one of my favorite reasons, is because I know you see it. I be styling and profiling in my locks, y'all. When I had my little afro, or when I was wearing weaves, there were certain things that I could not do with my hair. With locks, I feel like I have the widest range of looks, the widest range of possibilities. And it's cool because no one else has my hair. So the styles, what's not to love about the fact that you can wear your hair down, you can wear it all up, you can wear it braided, you can wear it twisted, you can make it curly. Like, locks are like amazing. They're literally amazing. The 4th reason why I love my locks is because they're inexpensive to maintain. I do not have to try out this, that, her, him, this product, that product. Like, locks don't want that. They don't want a whole bunch of products. What you have to try out is finding a nice hydrating shampoo for yourself, getting a nice daily moisturizing spray, which I just use rose water, aloe vera gel, a little bit of vitamin E oil, and a little jojoba oil, and I find that that is a nice, nourishing, moisturizing spray. And that's it. And because I don't go to the salon that often, they real cheap to maintain, okay? And my shampoo lasts over a year because I only wash my hair once a month. So Locs have been really inexpensive, easy on the budget. I don't have to continuously put things in my hair and try things out, but instead I get to use minimal products that are really natural and healthy for my hair. Which leads me to number 5, the fact that Locs like to thrive when they are left alone. This is amazing. The fact that my hair does best when I have my hands out of it has taught me simplicity. It has taught me patience. It has taught me dedication. Locs tell you to let it be. Let go and let God. Let go and let us grow. And that's what the hell they doing. They are growing. And because I don't go to work every day, I've had my hands out of my hair. So now I'm noticing my hair is getting thicker. My hair is getting stronger. And I'm in love with that. Now, I know I said I have 5 reasons, but I got one more. And my ultimate, I'm shaking it. My ultimate reason for loving Locs is because of y'all. Our community is strong AF. You know what I'm saying? Everybody who got Locs knows we are not your conventional type of beauty. We are not that European bullshit standard. Instead, we are our own standards of strength, of dedication, of not giving a damn about what other people think. And a lot of people know how to keep it cute. We can keep it professional. We can make our way into any room and pull off any look, and people are going to notice. They're going to stop. They're going to stare because our hair sticks up. Our hair grows long. Our hair gets thick. Our hair could be super skinny. Locs are amazing, and we know that, and our community has no problem with showing love to each other. And I love the sense of unity that I feel whenever I see my Loc brothers and sisters out in these streets, when I talk to y'all online, when y'all ask me questions, and we get to exchange in dialogues that are hair related, and the fact that, you know, you may not always feel like you look good. You got someone to tell you like, hey, but you'll get through it. I know that that is amazing. Okay, so I will never sleep on the Loc community. Y'all have shown me nothing but love. I have nothing but love for y'all, which is why I will continue to speak about my hair, which I have not washed or done in about 4 weeks now, and she's still holding strong, holding on, which I hope you are as well. I know that the holiday seasons are coming, and if you're watching this video at a different time, then disregard this message. But the holiday seasons are coming, and they can tend to weigh on people in different kind of ways. So I want you to know that I love you. I thank you, I appreciate you, and you are never alone, no matter how alone you may be.